The question says the term independent of x in the expansion of x plus 1 upon x raised to 2 by 3 minus x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 minus of x minus 1 upon x plus root x the whole raised to power 10 where x is not equal to 1 is equal to. So on solving the equation given in the question a bit further, we have x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 minus of root x plus 1 the whole divided by root x whole raised to power 10 to be equal to x raised to 1 by 3 minus of x raised to minus 1 by 2 the whole raised to power 10 will now be equal to tr plus 1, that is 10 cr into x raised to 1 by 3 whole raised to 10 minus r and into minus x raised to minus 1 by 2 whole raised to power r. For term independent of x, we should have this power 0, that is 10 minus r by 3 minus of r by 2 should be equal to 0. So therefore we get the value of r as 4. So the required term will be equal to t4 plus 1, that is t5, which is equal to 10c4, which is equal to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 210.